Good day everyone, my name is Cabrera and I'm going to do my Autocad activity. So first, let's have our drawing, the copy of our drawing here in our workstation here in Autocad. So let's insert or attach some file. Insert attach. So let's move the activity 2. Okay, press OK. Just simply hold for a second. Just attach the file. Let's zoom in. Okay, the first thing we do, okay, as I observe in this activity or these objects, we will use here a polyline, circle, a line, a polygon, an array, an offset, a trim, and many more. Hatch. So let's proceed or let's start. So first one, we're going to make this one. So we type simply C and specify the center. So I prefer my own dimensions or measurement as 40 in radius. Okay, so even enough. So the next one we do is to use the P line or the polyline for easily make the line connected. So let's have make into center, then into the side. Sorry, let's use the toggles for ortho on F8. Then let's make an angle here and dimension of, let's say 70 is enough. Angle of 120. Okay, clear that. Let's bring back to the center and then let's have our ortho on, and by that let's put a dimension of 100. Then let's have for the 40, just like our radius of the circle, to connect it just like that. And then to have here, let's make here into 70. I think 70 is enough. 70 angle with a dimension of 80. 80 is enough. I think 70 is enough with a dimension. Just easily connect. Okay, we do not use dimension by connecting in polyline or P line. Yes, much easier. Then L to connect its side. This side, straight line. Enter. Then let's trim the excess part. Use TR for trim and select what you're going to trim. Okay, that's it for our part 1. The next one we will use polygon with 6 sides with the circle inside. So we will use BOL as a command with a 6 side. Specify it is inscribed or circumscribed, so it is inscribed. Enter. So with our own dimension, I will set this into, okay, enough. Then let's have our pattern first to draw a perfect square inside our polygon. Let's type line, then make it in this side and also in this side. So we will make the circle first on the top, and we just easily copied the circle to have an equal size. So let's have circle top. Okay, So let's do it again. Let's have our pattern again. Enter, circle. Let's have okay, enough. Then let's copy. Select what we're going to copy, enter, and then just copy. Copy. Okay. Then we will remove or erase the pattern. Just like that. Then let's move it to align with our first dimension, or first object rather. Sorry. Okay, that's enough. Third one we'll use here an array and lines. So first we have our line. Let's make an 60 straight line. The next thing to do is to find the center point of our line. Okay, and then mark it into 30. Then bring this to have our triangle. So let's have our own dimension here. Okay, I set this into 50. Added angle up to have a perfect array with an 8 side. Let's type 67.5. Enter. And then trim the excess lines. Just press TR. Enter. Select what you're going to trim. Just easily erase it. And now we'll use the mirror MI to form our rectangle. Enter, mirror. To have a mirror, press F8. Okay, do you want to erase the source of object? No. And now let's going to have an array, AR as a command. Then select all, enter, specify, or let's choose rectangular or polar. Then let's specify the center, and we need the items it to be an 8 sides or 8 pieces. 8. And enter. Sorry, let's change it 8. Okay, enough. Let's have our border. It is on a straight line. Just connect it every side. Connect. Okay, enough. And now we're going to do our circle with 4 small circles beside. Okay, let's do it. Simply to make. Then let's make big circle first. Let's say it is 60. Make an offset. Select what we're going to offset. Put range into 5. Set it into 5. Okay. Then make a 4 small circles. Start. Let's make let's make a small circle here. Let's set it into 25. Too really small. Then let's make it an offset. Enter. Let's make it 5 also. And then let's just copy it to have our 4 small circles. Enter. I'm sorry. Copy. CO. Here, here, and here. And now we will make a pattern here inside the circle. So This pattern is easy to make and easily connect. So let's have our 60 with a dimension of 135. Here again, 60, 120 with a dimension of 45. Here, 60, dimension of 45. Sorry, the dimension of, yes, 45. 60 with a dimension of 45. And here is 120 with the dimension of 135. Okay, let's make a pattern here also, since this is in the bottom. Let's make it here. I'll have a 25 and a dimension of 45. Okay, this one, 25 with a dimension of 135. Okay, this side, so 25 with a dimension of 45, and this side 25 with a dimension of 135. So by that, let's easily connect it by the use of move, and select enter and move it one by one. Okay, move this part and align it perfectly. Enter, move again this part. Again, in this part again, move. Sorry. Sorry. Okay, and now let's make our trim. Just trim the sides of small circles that connects this big circle. TR for trim. Select, I want to trim here, I want to trim here and here. By this side, I want to trim here and here. On this side, I want to trim here and here. And this side, I want to trim, sorry, I want to trim here and here. And now let's simply erase the pattern we made. By simply selecting it manually, enter. Sorry, I forgot this one. Enter. Enough. It's enough. And now we'll make the box a rectangle or box with a hatch of bricks. So let's make a rec with our own dimension. Let's make a free dimension. Okay, simple as that. Then make an hatch H. Then we'll pick for our bricks AR 5816 and set an angle into 135 and simply click here to have an hatch. The next thing we do is, sorry, a semicircle first with a line, then make an array. So how do we make a semicircle? So first, let's have our circle. So let's make a big. So here is need to have a 5 equals offset. So let's make a 5 offset. This offset is into 5. So set is into 10 since this is big D. 10, 10. The last one is 10. So make our line the middle to make a semicircle. And then let's trim it to have our semicircle. Enter. Just easy select. And then erase our pattern here. And then we'll make. Let's move it first. Before we make a line with the dimensions of 50. And after that, we made an offset again. This line is 10, offset 10, offset 10, offset 10. Last one, offset 10. And now we make an array. Just type AR, select all, enter, and just choose if it is polar array, enter, and then select the center and change the items into 4. It's done. Here we're done. Let's move it first. And okay. Now let's have move. Let's move it. Okay. Let's make border. Just simply make a rectangle. And then let's enlarge it if it is the same. Okay, it's the same, so that's it.